Assalamu alaikum, Gambians. My name is Yusuf Taylor. I'm a journalist for Askanwi Media. And today we were just covering the AKI, Acute Kidney Injury court case, which saw some over 70 children. Dr. Bittaye has said over 83 children have died sometime in 2022, and even one. In today's court hearings, you will hear how one of them also died in early January. This is after these children ingested poisonous medicines that was manufactured by Indian company made in pharmaceuticals and imported into the country by Atlantic Pharmaceuticals, which is a Gambian pharmaceutical company. So today was the continuation of Dr. Bittaye's expert witness testimony, and currently Counsel Farage is taking him through the documents showing the deaths, how the children died, and the defense was Mbalo, who was representing the Ministry of Justice and MCA, as well as Ministry of Health. Those three were being represented by Counsel Mbalo. Aisha Dabo, she died of an AKI drug-induced. This is what they said. Aisha Dabo died of AKI drug-induced. 1st of January 2023. That's the 1st of January. After the recall of all the drugs. So there were even pictures of the type of drugs that she allegedly took. Oral solution was one of them. Paracetamol was also another one. Promethazine, that's the drug that has been showing up in almost every single document that was shown. Counsel Farage was pushing to argue that in some instances these drugs are prescribed, they have not been ticked, but patients still manage to get these drugs over the counter. And this was highlighted in the last case, which I said Aisha Dabo, her case, this was also highlighted. Many children's names were mentioned today. Musa Kamaso, another child. These are the sufferings that they went through. They couldn't pass urine for 3 days, vomiting, fever. Madeline Mendy, another child who passed away also from AKI. Fatumata Keta, another victim. Ismaila Danso, 1 year, 9 months. He's also another victim. Alpha Bari, 25 months, also another victim. Mohammed Baji, 14 months, also another victim. Aisatu Bangura, 10 months old baby. She also suffered and passed away. The case has been adjourned to the 18th, which is a day before the Eid. The first date was on the 18th of March, which is next week, Wednesday, and the case should start at 1 p.m. And then the second date, which was taken, was Wednesday, 29th of April, from 10 to 12, where PW3 will conclude their cross-examination, and that would really take us far. I managed to speak to Counsel Farage to find out what stage are we when we talk about this case. What stage exactly are we in? According to her, cross-examination will continue, and we are very close to the end of this case. After the cross-examination, then what would end up happening, there are some other cross-examination that might be required, but it shouldn't be too many. These are specific cross-examination which would be done, and then there will be the arguments would take place. There will be arguments in courts between the two, and then the case would obviously move on to its natural progression, which would be a ruling from Justice Jaiteh. So until then, we'll be here next week, Wednesday, covering this AKI trial.